In MCQ 31, we are having a mixture that contains a hydrocarbon as well as water. Now, hydrocarbon themselves are considered to be as a form of an organic solvent. And just like water and oil, organic solvent and water, they do not mix. And as a result, they will actually form an immiscible liquid. If let's say they were to place in the same container itself. So let's say I'm going to have a test tube here, evaluating the options given to us. Hydrocarbon has a density of 0.8 while water has a density of 1. So the one that has a lower density will actually be floating above. So in this case here, we should be looking at my hydrocarbon that is to be found on the surface, and water will actually be found at the bottom of it. So again, going to use blue to exemplify water. And for the hydrocarbon, I'll be exemplifying this using yellow color. So you can see that hydrocarbon is found above the layer of water. So hydrocarbon forming a layer below the water, that is going to be incorrect. Right? It's going to be incorrect where it should be actually above. Now, hydrocarbon being methane, this is a little bit slipshod here because the only info we have is a boiling point together with the density. So hydrocarbon could refer to alkanes, it could refer to alkenes, so it is very slipshod and premature to say that it's actually a methane. And I think the only one that's correct here is to use a separating funnel as a means of separating my immiscible liquid. So if the liquid is immiscible, the separating funnel that has a tab at the bottom over here, you can actually turn on and off the tab and have them go through different test tubes. Right, so one of the test tube here will contain fully of your hydrocarbon and the other test tube will contain fully of your water. Of course, the hydrocarbon will be the first to come out because it's the layer that's found above, and water will come out subsequently after that. Alright, just to make sure to change the test tube to keep it separated. So we're going to look at option 3 or D as the only correct answer.